The email that creates $1,000 buyers. I just received an email from someone who does webinars and it reads something like this. Subject line, a bribe inside for. All you have to do is reply back and you're eligible to get $100 for your answers. It will take you less than a minute when you hit reply and answer these 3 questions. 1. Did you see last week's webinar with Joe Smith and his surprising no-cost training? 2. Did you sign up to work with Joe? 3. Why or why not? That's it. Hit reply to this email and let me know your answers. One person will be randomly chosen from the replies, and if it's you, you'll get $100. I look forward to seeing your reply. P.S. Besides a chance to win $100, your answers will help me to serve you better. Why is this marketer sending this email? Because once a person replies back, no matter what her answers might be, a dialogue is started. A back and forth exchange can happen. Objections can be overcome and sales can be made. I don't know what this no-cost program costs, but I'm going to guess it's a $1,000 or more. Even if this strategy only results in another sale or 2, it's worth it. And if it makes 5 or 10 or 100 additional sales, then so much the better. Plus, it gives the list owner the chance to customize an offer to each individual person who responds. If their objection is price, then offer something more basic at a lower price. If time is their objection, offer something easier with lower time investment. If lack of confidence is the problem, offer something more at a beginner's level. It takes time, effort, and money to put leads into your webinar funnel. If you can convert more of those leads simply by offering $100 to get several dozen dialogues going, why not try it? Even if you don't want to engage in salesmanship, you could always send them the following reply back. While you didn't win the $100, you did win the second prize of $500 off of the program. Selling a few dozen copies of your program at a half price can be an awesome payday for you, and it costs you nothing. Start building your email list and making commissions in 3 simple steps. Join our free training. Take action and you'll see results within hours. Click the link in the description or in my profile. See you there.